Welcome to Community Arts. Today we will be doing chromatography flowers. Each participant needs 3 coffee filters. Begin by flattening out your 3 filters. Next, using markers, draw 2 to 3 circles on each filter. Once you've finished, fold your filters in half, then fold in half again, and fold in half one more time. Make sure your filters are about the same size and shape. Working one filter at a time, dip the tip of your coffee filter into the water. The color of the markers will slowly disperse as the water travels through the filter. Unfold your coffee filter and allow to dry completely on a paper towel. Repeat these steps for the other coffee filters. Once the filters have completely dried, stack them on top of each other. Bunch the filters together and gather a point in the center of the filters. Now wrap your pipe cleaner around the area you've grabbed. Readjust the coffee filters to make your flower look fuller.